Okay, right, so my glove box handle has broken. I needed to fix it. It was actually stuck and I had to wedge it open. And when I did actually wedge it open, I broke the handle off. So I bought a new handle from eBay, about £10. I'm just going to run through a quick tutorial on how to fix it because there isn't one currently on YouTube. So, right, so I've got here, if you can see closely, it's actually one of those Torx screws. It's a tiny little one. So it's got T20 on the side, so I'm guessing that's the size. So all we have to do is, so we're going to unscrew this bit, this one, and over here. So we're just going to head and do that. Should we zoom out a little bit? So let's give this a shot. Okay, so I'm hoping we can just slide this out. There we are. That's the old one. Let's get the new one in here. So I've literally just bought this. I'm hoping it's going to be an easy job. I haven't even practiced it, guys. So, right hand drive. So make sure you buy left or right hand drive for your particular car because the latch is on the other side for left hand drive cars. A lot of the eBay listings are actually for left hand drive. So when I came across there was only about 3 or 4 listings on eBay for right hand drive. Make sure you buy the right one, guys. So, right, we need to make sure this bit isn't lined up before we start. Let's get it right. What's going on here? Right, so after some seriously jiggling about, I took it back out and we need to line these little hinges here to the back first. So when you line them up, like so, I'll get this, right, so that's lined up. Those are all into the back, and we need to push the handle in so it clicks into space. There we go. So now we need to screw these bits back in. It would help if this works. The battery dead. Right, here we go. One. Two. Three. So that's it. That's the new glove box fixed. So let's go and put it back into the car. So I've put the glove box back in. I didn't do a video tutorial on this because there's so many of them on YouTube already, but I just wanted to show that it's working fine again. My soft close thing is broken, so that's why it dropped like that. But you can see how all that's connected to different videos anyway. So thanks for watching, guys.